We all know that smartphones these days come with all the bells and whistles, but one of the most important features is the camera. We're here today to test 5 of the latest and greatest to find out how they fare when it comes to low light, zoom, panoramic, taking a picture with everything on auto, and any other cool feature they can throw at us. The iPhone 4S set the bar for cameras this year, so this test we'll be looking at its rivals, with the Nokia Lumia 800, Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc S, Motorola Razr and the HTC Sensation XL with Beats. Some of us like to keep things simple, and the keeping everything on auto is the simplest way to take a pic. All 4 cameras performed well straight out of the box, with the Arc offering the most detail, but the Razr struggled to focus and produced a slightly muddy shot. No camera phone can be expected to compete with digital cameras when it comes to zoom, and neither of our phones on test did. The Razr again struggled to focus but had the biggest zoom. The Arc performed better but again looked out of focus, with the HTC and Nokia focusing but with a much smaller zoom. A feature that is now essential to every pocket cam is the panoramic shot. All 4 cameras performed well, but we did need a few tries to get the feature working on the Arc and Razr. Having said that, the Arc by far created the best pic with amazing detail and almost 360-degree viewing. A low point for these cameras was taking a picture in low light. With the flash on auto or off, all phones need to try harder. All 4 struggle with the conditions, with pics either washed out with the flash on auto or far too dark with it off. Every camera phone worth its salt now needs to have something that little bit extra, and these 4 are no different. The HTC Sensation had the most to offer us, with oodles of extra scenes and modes. The Nokia was the only one that allowed us to change the metering mode, although we didn't notice that much difference. The Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc dished up a 3D panoramic shot, and the Motorola Razr was the only one to offer multi-shot shooting. For all the latest smartphone news, reviews and features, keep it locked to t3.com.